when if you go back to all the teaching, I've told you deuterium is the backbone of the space technology for deep space travel. The reason for it is very simple. Deuterium is a balancer. You have a hydrogen and you have tritium. For those of you who don't know the difference between what we call common hydrogen, it has one proton and it has one beautiful electron. With the deuterium is one, and here we have the same one. Here we have the same one electron, and we have one electron. With deuterium, we have one neutron. With tritium, we have two of them. The problem with the present physics and what they call plasma physics and fusion physics is that in so many ways, when you understand this, you understand that you can play the game very simple. And the game, the simplicity of it, is the existence of the two neutrons, or the single neutron. And if you look at it, this is a complete system. Here is acidic, here is alkaline. Here is acidic because an extra neutron is radiating, is giving. Here is alkaline because this needs to get one neutron to become balanced. In the space technology, like the reactors, when you understand the process, when you have deuterium, very simply by addition of the energy of one getting and they're changing to another, you create lift. When you have deuterium, you go to hydrogen. You have to give, you're attracting, you create gravitation. When you go to tritium, the other way. But don't forget, tritium in the gans state, in the plasma state, is not radioactive. Radioactivity is a matter state of tritium. Because you're working in a plasma state, you work in non-radioactive. There is never any radiation out of these reactors because one always absorbs the other. And because it's dynamic, it always stays the same. So in the reactors we just seen with John and Arvin has been trying to do, is very simple. Put one in one reactor, put one in the middle, and put the other one. You can change very quickly deuterium to alcoholic or acidic. You have the fuel of your creation for a space technology. That's if you are in a physical dimension, you have to have a spaceship. If you are working with emotions and you understand the creation of deuterium, which is a balanced energy transfer, comes from your soul. You can just create any energy ball. Now the knowledge is deep enough in the foundation that those of you who are in advanced understanding of it, with this picture, I have solved all your left and communication and the rest of it. You don't need so much copper here and so much acid there and so much CH3. Create of the balance, little to give, little to take. It gives you a reactor, lift and motion. And then you have this 18 auxiliary or 180 auxiliary, or in some of the space reactors we see massive number, thousands of them. In that process, one stays more alkaline, one stays alcoholic. And then in that rotation of the boundary, where you put more energy of in alcoholic, alkaline or acidic, dictates the direction of the motion. Very simple. This is the fuel of the space. You can't find copper all the time in the space, but you can find gravitational magnetic field packages which imitate or have energy equal to the proton, electron or neutron, that you can confine them and continuously produce deuterium in this universe. Don't forget the basic element, which is the deuterium, which is the backbone of the any universe structure, is different in the strength in different universes. So what is an electron to us at the energy level strength could be a proton level in another universe. But the totality of the balance of the fields of that universe has given a specific position in the unicos.